Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is video number 16 of our Grand Bengal Fest. We are almost more than halfway through with this fest. We've shown very beautiful Baha Chumki saris, we've shown Khadi cottons, we've shown muslin jamdanis, matka silks, we've shown a beautiful variety of different saris. We've also shown Bengal tussars, some new collections, some old varieties but completely new designs. So it has been a treasure that we've unfolded in front of you. Now this particular video is going to be about very classy, very authentic, very meticulously crafted saris. Now this is a beautiful linen jamdani. This is pure linen made in Bengal, woven in Bengal, and the jamdani weaving that you see is pure hand weaving. If you see the back side of these saris, you will get to see the exact same design. Just like when we see pure handloom paitanis, you get to see the same front and back. This is almost the same. So just look at these saris. Now the pallu is also very meticulously woven. The colors are beautiful. So yes, this is the first sari. Now each and every color, design, combination is going to be absolutely stunning. So yes, this is the first sari. Now the price range of the saris in this video is going to be around 20 to 24,000 roughly. That is the price range because these are pure linen jamdanis. These are very classy saris and you should proudly flaunt them because you will hardly get to see these kind of saris. So yes, this is it. If you like any of these, just comment Bengal Fest in the comment section on Instagram. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, just go to the description or captions and check out all the individual product links. Plus, we are also putting in the sari code here on the screen. So just see the sari code. You go to our website and type that sari code and you directly go to the product. Apart from this, if you need any help, our WhatsApp team is right here to help you all. Just connect with our WhatsApp team. Our number is given in each and every video caption. So yes, this was our first sari. Let's move to the next one. Now the next, each and every sari design is also different. Now this one has a kadiyal border, okay. Now this sari is, the body of this sari is in linen, okay. But this kadiyal border that you get to see is in silk, okay. So it's a very different concept. These are kadiyal border jamdanis as they call it. So very different weaves. What happens is when we actually source these saris, it's very difficult to gather the actual authentic information because of language barriers. All these weavers speak Bengali, they don't understand Hindi, they don't understand English. We try and travel with a translator with us, but still it's very difficult to understand the technicalities involved in the weaving of these saris. Now just look at this gorgeous weave. The first one we saw only jamdani weaving in the pallu. Now this one has jamdani weaving all throughout its borders, okay. So yes, the next one is a beautiful color in the same pattern. I'm just going to tell you all the price of these saris. This is again 23,000. This is a plain linen sari with a silk jamdani border in kadiyal. By kadiyal, what we mean is the sari is woven, the border is woven, and then the two are woven along. The two are woven together. So there is no stitching element, there is weaving element, but both are actually woven separately. There's no mixing of threads that you get to see. This is what is kadiyal border means. So yes, this is the sari. I might keep this sari for myself. So if anybody likes it, please go ahead, order it soon until I change my mind. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is another shade of blue. Very pretty. The first one was a blue, but this one is a different design altogether. This again has jamdani in its border, but there is no kadiyal element in it. So it's the same color, same fabric, and it has jamdani weaving. Just see the back side. It is so clean. It is absolutely intricately woven. So yes, this is it. A beautiful deep blue, dark blue as we call it. This is how the borders will look together. And this is the pallu. A very elegant and classy pallu design. The price of this particular sari is 23,500. I might not tell prices of all saris, but since these saris are very different, I want to share the prices with you all. Now another color in the same design. This is red with beautiful jamdani in its border. Very pretty. Again, these saris are more like more than weddings, if you have a different kind of an event to attend, or if it's a inauguration function, it's a small puja, if it's a smaller party, if it's a dinner party, or if you're just presenting something on stage, if you have an important meeting in the office, these are the kind of saris that you should have in your wardrobe. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. The next color is very pretty. It's a very Bengali color, I would say, because you get to see these shades in Bengal tussars. But this is a linen sari, beautiful rose motifs, or I don't know if it's rose or tulip. Beautiful motifs woven along, and this is the pallu. The pallu is also very beautifully woven. So yes, this is it. If you like it, you just have to comment Bengal Fest on Instagram, and if you're on Facebook or YouTube, just make sure you read the caption or go through the description and get the direct product links. So yes, moving on to the next sari. Now the next one is a nice bright Firozi color. It has Jamdani in its border, very pretty. So imagine you can also wear these saris along with nice chunky jewelry. You can wear bigger pendants, you can wear beaded necklaces. They look very pretty with these saris. You can wear chunky bangles or bracelets, they'll also look very pretty. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next sari. The next one is a nice beige, whitish beige color. Very pretty. This is the last sari of this video. This is how it looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Imagine this with a nice ruby pendant or a ruby necklace, or just chunks of ruby strings woven along. So it'll look very pretty is what I feel. So yes, this is it. So this was our new collection launch. We've not had these pure handloom linen jamdanis here at Pratha as yet. So this is a completely new launch. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for more videos of Bengal Fest. Thank you.